Functionality: Eastman outlet boxes provide a safe water supply installation for washing machines, preventing potential leaks with a raised drip guard and enabling easy access to the valves in case shut-off is required. Quality: this outlet box is built with one-piece construction and a raised drip. UPC approved. Features: designed for a right or left side drain with a quick snap-on drip guard. Measurement: the rough opening is 8-1/4 inch, W, x 6-18/8 inch, H, x 3-3/4 inch, D. Faceplate dimensions are 10-3/16 inch, W, x 8-13/16 inch, H. Features a 3/4 inch MHT outlet connection and a 1/4 inch turn ball valve. Installation: allows for inverted installation, valves on the top, and can be installed on left or right stud bays. Top reviews from the United States. Complete unit for washer install. Fast shipping.